Hi everyone, I'm so excited to welcome you to our first virtual night in. As a VIP community member, you get access to exclusive rewards and benefits, and I'm looking forward to spending some time with you today and walk you through my tips and tricks for a perfect nighttime skincare routine. This routine is all about nourishing restorative nighttime ritual. Not only will it help you wind down at the end of a very busy day, but it will also ensure you wake up in the next morning with a healthy, radiant complexion. You have recently received some gifts with your last purchase, and we'll be including these products into the routine. Some of them might be familiar to you, while others might be new. So I'm excited to introduce you to some of my favorite from the collection and share how I incorporate them into my routine. Throughout, I will be answering some of your most frequently asked questions. The products we'll be using today are the Black Diamond Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser, the Black Diamond Essence, the White Tear and Biocellulose Facial Mask, the Black Diamond Vitamin C Brightening Booster, the Black Diamond Contour Gel, and Repair Serum, plus Repair Night Cream. So let's get started. The Black Diamond Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser is the first step of an effective skincare routine. Not only removes makeup, but other impurities that build up throughout the day. Let's face it, I live in London, cycle to work, and I have a very busy lifestyle. There are lots of external factors that can cause havoc on my skin, and I love to use the Black Diamond Vitamin C every morning and every evening. It gently exfoliates and brightens the skin. It's powered by vitamin C for healthy-looking, luminous skin. And this foaming cleanser gently removes dirt, impurities, while exfoliating and brightening dull skin. I usually apply 3 pumps onto my fingertips, massage the cleanser into damp skin in circular movements, including neck and décolletage, but avoiding eyes and lips. I then rinse the product with warm water, and this is a fantastic opportunity to give yourself a massage while cleansing your face. The second step is our Black Diamond Essence. It's a luxurious, lightweight formula. I often get asked about the purpose of an essence in a skincare routine. The benefit is that it primes your skin for optimal absorption of active ingredients, making the serums that you apply after work that much harder. Our Black Diamond Essence is enriched with bioactive peptides, helping your skin appear brighter, more luminous, and visibly rejuvenated. It also helps to support collagen synthesis to enhance skin firmness. In fact, in a user trial, 95% of respondents agreed that the essence improves skin elasticity after a period of using it for 6 weeks. I use 5 to 7 drops into my palms of my hand and gently press it firmly onto my cleansed skin. The next step is my favorite White Tear and Biocellulose Facial Mask. I discovered face masks on a trip to Korea in early 2010. When I brought some of them home to my husband, Yanis, one in particular caught his attention. It was made from biocellulose, a material he was using already as a plastic surgeon after surgery to speed up the healing process of his patients. We infused the material with our proprietary ingredient complex NaCY2 to calm and soothe the skin instantly. All it takes is 20 minutes of your time, which is also a great opportunity for some journaling, meditation, or other self-care. Finding time for me to slow down and reflect is really a treat. Now that our skin is prepped, it's ready to absorb active ingredients. So step 4 is the application of our Black Diamond Vitamin C Booster. What is a booster, you ask? For us, it's a highly concentrated serum packed with potent formulas to deliver visible results. The vitamin C booster is inspired by in-clinic brightening treatments and clinically proven to improve skin brightness by 30% in just 4 weeks. It's powered by vitamin C, resurrection plant extract, and niacinamide for high-performance efficacy. The formula brightens lackluster skin, balances skin tone, reduces the appearance of pores, and visibly reduces hyperpigmentation. To apply, distribute 2 to 4 drops between your fingertips. Then gently pat the product onto clean, dry skin. My tip, you can also mix the booster with your serum or other moisturizers. Contour gel. Time for our eyes. It's an area people will often notice quickly. Eye contact is so important. This product is almost like an injectable in a bottle. In fact, it's a multitasker that can be used on multiple areas of the face. The Black Diamond Contour Gel is powered by the concentrated blend of anti-aging ingredients to target signs of aging instantly. You press the dispenser to release product and use the built-in applicator to massage gel into the skin in small circular motion. Focus on the expression lines, nasolabial folds, and crow's feet, and always work in an upward direction. Again, I love these products as it allows me for a true moment of self-care. The cooling applicator allows me to give my skin a little gentle massage. In a user trial, 100% agreed that skin felt plumper and firmer after just 4 weeks. No surprise that Birdie named it the best eye product in 2024. Step 6, our iconic repair serum. Did you know that it's the product that started 101 Skin as a brand? It was 2008 when Yanis developed the formula. At the time, he didn't mean to create a global skincare brand. He simply wanted to help his patients by getting their skin into its best condition possible, with or without professional treatments. His job as a plastic surgeon is made much easier if he has a healthy canvas to work with. But also, the skin heals so much better post-surgery with the right routine. Most formulas available in the market at the time were unsatisfactory due to their irritating and abrasive properties. Knowing that optimal skin health before and after surgery could make the difference between a good patient outcome and an extraordinary one, he leveraged his experience across decades to develop what is now 101 Skin's proprietary complex NACY2. The main part of our NACY2 complex is NAC and acetylcysteine. It's used in every hospital in the world and it saves lives. Yanis had experienced NAC's power firsthand through use in emergency rooms, but he also discovered that NAC finds application in the harsh conditions of space where it is considered in protocols to counteract oxidative stress for astronauts. The power of NAC as an essential amino acid was immediately obvious to Yanis, but we worked to develop a topical skincare solution, an encapsulated formulation which allows the compound to penetrate deeper into the skin and be released slowly over time. But Yanis wasn't satisfied with the common standards and wanted to go further to enhance the complex with 2 additional ingredients: vitamin C as a potent antioxidant that also protects the integrity of NAC, and Eskin, an anti-inflammatory powerhouse that helps improve oxygen supply to the skin. The 3 ingredients together create NACY2, a pioneering complex designed to support the body's biggest organ, encouraging ongoing skin support, repair, and rejuvenation while shielding it from daily stressors. The powerful properties of NACY2 are still at the heart of 101 Skin today. In fact, most formulas across the assortment contain the same reparative and skin rejuvenating benefits, especially our iconic repair serum. A small amount goes a long way. It's a very potent formula. 1 or 2 drops can be evenly distributed on your face and you would have transformative results. The final step, Let's lock in all the goodness so we can wake up with a radiant complexion tomorrow morning. That's where our Repair Night Cream comes in. I like to apply a pea-sized amount on the face, but don't forget your neck as well. Like an overnight facial, this evening treatment is packed with actives to restore and replenish your skin during your sleep, aligned with your body's circadian rhythm, its internal sleep cycle. As we rest, our skin repairs and regenerates itself, and this ultra-nourishing cream has been created with this in mind. It also features our signature reparative complex NaCY2 to rapidly renew skin at cellular level, as well as pink rock rose extract to soothe any irritation and redness. The skin also loses water during the night, so to counteract this, the formula contains hydrating hyaluronic acid to replenish moisture levels. And that's it! I love how my skin looks and I feel ready to go to bed. Thank you so much for joining along. We are so grateful that you're part of our V1T community. We have lots of exciting surprises planned for you in the next few months, from events to rewards and more. So please look out for communication from our team. I'd love to hear any feedback you might have. Please get in touch with us. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Thank you again for tuning in and see you soon.